How's it going? I'm Eamon O'Rourke, the CEO of RenoRun. We're a new Canadian startup that's built for contractors by contractors. We have a smartphone application where contractors can order their materials and have them delivered within 2 hours. We have over 50,000 products on our app, and we also have a custom order feature where contractors can order specific materials from their own stores and have them dropped off on their building sites. Let me show you how the app works. The app is available on the Google Play Store and the iTunes Store. Once the contractor downloads the app, which is free, they have access to our catalog, which has over 50,000 items. When they choose from the building materials section, they can choose drywall, concrete, masonry, anything that they can find in their regular store. And it's as simple as shopping on Amazon. 10 sheets of drywall, add it to the cart. Okay. Proceed to the checkout. Select their project. All right. Select the credit card. Confirm their order and they're ready to go. Our guys will be on site in 2 hours with free coffee. So come try out our app. You can find it on the Google Play Store, Apple iTunes, or on our website at renorun.ca. Your first delivery is free, and you can speak to one of our sales associates now to find out about our contractor rebate program. We're going to save you lots of money.